Now, one of my all-time favorite applications, not only giving you access in full HD, as you can see here, we even get access to amazing 4K content. Now, this application doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. You don't need to use any kind of VPN. You don't need to use any kind of mouse toggle. The application was only updated in the last few days and it doesn't have any adverts. So all of this great content in 4K quality, absolutely free and even ad-free. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. So I'm doing my demonstration on the new 4K Fire Stick Max, but you can follow this process on any other Amazon device or Android TV, and I'll even show you the process on how you can install this onto your Android phones and also your tablets. Now from the home screen, just go over to your settings, go down into My Fire TV. Let's now click on developer options. Where it says install unknown apps, let's click on that and just double check and make sure that downloader is set to on. And this just means that we can install applications through downloader. Once you've confirmed that, let's now press the home key and let's now open up downloader. Inside downloader, we can make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com. Or you can type in this short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how to get this Magellan application on all of your devices. Let's open that up. Here we are, so we can see this is the latest October 2022 update. We can see this is an ad-free documentary streaming service with over 1,500 high-quality movies and series from the world's best filmmakers. Let's scroll down. We can see lots of 4K content, different genres. Underneath all of that, we should have a couple of links. Now, depending on your device, if you're using this on a phone or a tablet, go for the last link. And the latest one, which is the first link for October 2022, that's the link for your Fire Sticks and your Android TV devices. So as I'm doing this on my 4K Fire Stick Max, let me click on that link first. I can now scroll down and you're looking for that green download button. Let's click on that and this will download the latest version directly onto your device. And as I mentioned before, this application doesn't need any kind of VPN, so wherever you are in the world, you can go ahead and enjoy all of this amazing high quality content. That's now all done. Let's now open up the application. Now the application has a really nice clean interface, very easy to navigate. Here we can see on the home screen, we're on the home section. We can see some of the new releases. Now when you click on any of these, you can see at the top, it tells you how many episodes in this documentary. It also tells you if the documentary is going to be in HD or Ultra HD, which is 4K. So here you can see some of the new releases. Now me personally, I do like some of the older documentaries, but as a starting point, if you're not sure how to navigate through this application, we can see they actually have a dedicated section for the all-time most watched documentaries. So wherever your interests are, you'll definitely find something of interest in this category because this is really the most popular content. So we can see the secrets of the universe. We can see some different crime documentaries. Here we can see a Venus documentary. Let's click on that. And we can see that is in 4K. Let's click on watch now. And literally within a couple of seconds, without any kind of pop-ups, without any kind of interruptions or any adverts, we are straight into this content. And that is a phenomenal 4K picture. And that's always the thing about these official streaming applications is because they're official, they have all of the bandwidth needed, they have all of the infrastructure. And what that means is you're not going to get any kind of buffering, any kind of stuttering, and you really can enjoy this awesome looking content. Let's back out of that. So lots of very popular things in here. You got tracking hackers, if you're into that kind of stuff. You got science, astronomy, you got Greek history. Okay, that's that. Let's go down. Then you've got the true crime. So if you're interested in crime documentaries, lots of really interesting things in here. You got most popular space shows, the highest rated history. So if you're a bit of a history nut or you really are interested in that kind of content, here you will see some of the highest rated documentaries in the history genre. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment doc, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. You have nature docs. Now I am a bit of a nature fan, so if you do like watching nature programs, National Geographic, The Blue Planet, all that kind of stuff, if that's your cup of tea, then definitely in here you'll see some amazing nature documentaries. Just for test, let's try this, The Journey. We can see that is 26 episodes. Just to show you that it's not a couple of things, everything in this application is working. It's working first time, no adverts, no buffering, no stuttering, just really good content. And that's working great. And you can, for example, press the context key, and we can also enable subtitles. So I can turn those on and we can see all of the content in here is properly subtitled. I know I have some people following me from Australia, so do leave me a comment below if you're watching from Australia. We can also go to genres. So if you're looking for certain type of content in Earth, we can click on that. This will then filter out the content and just show you the Earth related content only. And just so many things in here, guys. I think a total of 1500 titles. Here we can see we have Aerial Britain. Let's click on that. Click on watch now. And again, within a couple of seconds, we are straight into that content. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this application. If you are somebody that likes documentaries like me, then there's just so much great content in here. And even if you are somebody that typically doesn't watch documentaries, just the quality of the content in here, I'm sure you'll be able to find something to watch. On top of that, the fact that the application doesn't require any kind of registration, you don't need to use any kind of VPN. It really does have a superb layout, works great on your Android TVs and your Amazon devices. To get all of that in this really nice interface, I definitely think it's worthwhile checking out. And with this latest update, you really can see how much amazing new content they've added. So just before you go, guys, if you don't have a VPN or you're not happy with your current VPN, HyperVanish are doing a crazy promotion just for the next 2 weeks, whereby you can get total protection for all of your devices, your phones, your tablets, your Fire Sticks, your Android TVs, all devices covered at maximum speed, unlimited bandwidth, with confirmed zero data logging at just over $3 a month. So really at that price point, to get all of that protection, I think it's an absolute no-brainer. So please do leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this application, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.